guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sabrina Jordan, back on Sabrina Jordan TV. And if you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome. And for both of you, thank you for once again clicking on a video, or if this is your first time, thank you for clicking on my video overall. So as y'all can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a perm mod set on my 4C natural hair, and let's just get right into it. So first I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner from the Dollar Curl Club, and I'm also going to be using the almond and avocado curl enhancing mousse. With my perm rods, I have some water, and that's really it. So one thing that I did instantly was saturate my hair with water, and then I went in with the leave-in conditioner and went all over my hair with that. I personally did it this way because I didn't want to overload each strand of hair and each piece that I put on the perm rod set with product. So I just went ahead with the leave-in conditioner first and got that all over my hair, well in there, and then when I did the perm rod set, I went in piece by piece. So starting off, I was parting the back. I was doing it with the rat tail comb, but I didn't need it to be too precise. So I just went ahead and just finished parting with my fingers. And if you are needing it to be precise, like in the front, then of course I would use the rat tail comb. After that, I just went in ahead with my fingers and just got that first piece for my perm rod set, and then just went in like that, and I just pinned up my hair. So as y'all can see, I'm gonna go in with the curl enhancing mousse. This product was really good on my hair, and my hair was super hydrated, super fine with just this product and the leave-in conditioner. So I go in first with my fingers and define it like that and detangle it, and then I also went in with the rat tail comb just to make sure I didn't have any extra tangles, and that I was gonna go on perm rod set just flat and well prepared, so when I take it out, it's not bushy, it's not frizzy at the end. And as you guys can see, that I did the roll twist method. So I roll it up, and then I twist it overall, and then I'll roll it up and twist overall. One thing I will say, the next time I do a perm rod set, I will twist my roots, because my roots were very frizzy and I did not like that. But that's how the first one turned out, and just did the same thing for the rest of them. Of course, went in with my mousse because I already put my leave-in conditioner in, detangled it with my fingers first, and after I felt like it was detangled enough with my fingers, I went in with the rat tail comb to make sure it was even more detangled, and that's when I really went through my ends, went from the roots all the way down, just to make sure it's going to be flat on the perm rod. So once again, you want to make sure, start off putting it up there, and of course smooth it with the product too, so it's definitely well in there. Then roll and twist, and then roll and twist as much as you can.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Still I'm next to you. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. But we don't really want it. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
So y'all, this is what my hair looked like when it was officially done, officially with all the perm rod sets, and now I'm gonna sleep on it. So this is the next day after it is dry completely, which I'm super shocked. But let me tell you, I highly do not recommend you sleeping with these in. It completely hurt my head, and like it just left a bump on my head in like 3 places. Just don't do it. If you have a hooded dryer and you can do it in the daytime, please do it in the daytime. Do not stress yourself out. I went ahead in with the grapeseed oil on my fingers because that's what I'm going to use to take these out. I didn't do it instantly while I'm taking them out on the perm rod sets. I only did it when I started taking them out individually and untwisting them. is the finished look before I picked it out, but this is what it looked like once I unraveled all of my perm rods and then I separated it. Of course, I still went in with my grapeseed oil, and then I went in and unpicked it, and this is when I actually fell in love with the look. Like, it was so cute, so full. It was just like, it was just bomb.com, y'all. Like, literally, it was amazing. One thing I didn't like is that it looked like a wig on my head, but that's like just my hair, so it's nothing at fault with the products or anything, but it made me look very more mature. And overall, I liked it. Like, it was really cute. It came out good. My hair was hydrated. It wasn't dry, which I was super scared of. Anytime using a mousse on my hair, I never want it to come out dry or just extra, like, strawy, like too stripped. You know what I'm saying? So this is what it looked like. And y'all, when I say in love, like, I was in love with this. Like, I would do it again, but like I said in the beginning of the video, I would definitely twist my roots because I didn't like the way they looked when I took them out of the perm rod sets. So if you got this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked it and enjoyed, and if you try this, let me know in the comments, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.